are super important to be aware of. Every state across the U.S., every city, realtors that sell in those cities, they all know what their feeder markets are because they went to the Gov website. Any of those .gov websites show you for relocation. So we know the information's available and it's online. Our feeder market is coming out of the Seattle market predominantly right now. It used to only be the Bay Area, but right now it's the whole state of California and then the Seattle area predominantly. So I'm in a professional coaching and training program, a couple, and then I attend all of my networking and training events up and down the West Coast. We don't really have them in Oregon, so I head up to the Seattle market as well as I'm down in California 4 times a year. And I have personal relationships with as many people as I possibly can. This week, for instance, I was down in San Diego for a 2-day event. So from 7:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. I was in training, but also at all of the networking events and breakout sessions. And then we have private Facebook groups where we are constantly helping each other. We have a term called R&D, rip off and duplicate. Because they're not in our markets, we help one another. And it's just a really great resource. So if you're a realtor watching this video and you're not currently in one, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to provide more information on that because I think that you really would benefit from being plugged in with a good professionally run coaching and training program.